Hey guys, yeah, I'm again, and I have my first ever order from ColourPop, and I kind of ripped the box trying to take the label with my address off on it, off, but oh, I love this color. I adore this like robin's egg kind of color. It's such a pretty blue. It's kind of like the blue I use for the Fangirl. Let me back up some. Can you guess what I ordered? You probably can if you had all looked at the thumbnail or the title for this, but I'm still really excited. I don't even know where to grab first. Uh-oh, we got something that's a little bit opened on us already. Yikes. Oh, two things that are a little bit opened on us. What the heck now? Doesn't even look like this was sealed, or maybe it's just too big for the box. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna get this out. I'm gonna empty the box. Maybe. No, hold on. I'm getting a little tripolar on this. We've got, of course, the Disney Designer Collection from ColourPop, the Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. And we have, oh, okay, I didn't realize what these were called. Let me get these in order. Ah! The colors are Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. That's super adorable, right? And the boxes, I hope you can see, they have got like the signatures of the different Disney princesses. All right, so this is Bibbidi. Ooh, that is a pretty color. We're gonna give this a little switchity swatch. Of course, we're not gonna see much if it's clear or white. Yeah, it's got just like a hint of white color in it, but it's mostly clear. I think the hint I'm seeing is mostly sparkle too. But let's just take a minute and appreciate this really cutely designed packaging with the little sparkles. And the box is so cute. I think I'm gonna have to keep the boxes for these, yo. Now here is Bobbidi. Ooh, yeah. Okay, this one doesn't look like it's got any sparkles in it to me, so we'll give this one a little swatch too. Doop-de-doop. It's almost like a peachy, corally type of color. It's so glossy though. It's like reflecting in the light like crazy. That's funny. I'm trying to hold it at a good angle so you can see it. And I'm gonna take a guess that the Boo one is gonna be kind of bluish. Oh, no, this one is a different shade of pink. Also does not appear to be sparkly. So we'll give you a little swatch under Bobbidi. And it's definitely like a legit pink in there. Okay, lip glosses. Now we have, woo, it's so bright. It's reflecting like crazy. We have the eyeshadow palette with all the Disney princess signatures on it. Let's see, I think I can just slide it open in the bottom here. Anything on the back? Oh, the back tells us our colors. The palette is called It's a Princess Thing, and our colors are Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, Abu, Prince Charming, Ray, Fairy Godmother, One Kiss, Thingamabob, Enchanted Rose, Poison Apple, Magic Carpet, Beast, and Midnight Curfew. So let's see. Okay, it's also in here. Good to know in case the outer box gets damaged. Oh my flippity flip! Would you look at how gorgeous that is? Okay, if you don't collect Disney designer dolls like I do, these were the limited edition dolls for the 2018 season that they put out. And I ended up getting Ariel and Belle, and I love them. Like, I wanted Snow White and Cinderella and Jasmine too, but it just didn't work out. Tiana, her dress just didn't do it for me with that giant flower. But I have other Tianas though, so I wasn't too worried about her. Now we have where we can really see the signatures, and I like that they put it in a place where we get to keep it for sure. Although it would be nice to have a little bit of a mirror in there somewhere. Oh good, and it says the colors on the inside too. I don't know why did we need to have it on the outside, but oh well. Their packaging, their choice. I don't think I'm gonna swatch all of these. Let's just try a couple. Try Grumpy. Definitely got some pigment, and it's a nice kind of corally orange color. And we'll try a Boo just to get a dark one you can hopefully see. Yeah, that one's more like an orangey tannish brown. Seems to be very stackable, layerable, blendable, whatever word you want to use. And I'm gonna try two of the sparklies. Let's see. I got too many of my fingers dirty now. We'll just use Enchanted Rose. That sounds like a fun one. Got a lot of pigment on my thumb. Let's see how it transfers to my hand. Oh, that's pretty good actually. And I'm gonna use this hand, I think. Prince Charming or Ray? Let's try Prince Charming. Oh wow. Usually the whites you don't see very well, but I think hopefully you can see that one pretty well. I'll put Ray next to it just in case. I want to make sure you guys can see something. I definitely see it though without all of the bright lights, so hopefully, let me just close this up. So just doing a quick swatch test. Hopefully you can see those. When I do these swatches, it always looks like I punch something with the side of my hand. We are not done yet. We've got this big old pack of, I'm not sure what, so let's get to that in a second. What's up, Buttercup? Just a little postcard, and that's my receipt, so you don't get that, and that's the end of the box. So let's just move the box out of the way. Check out these gorgeous lipsticks, because these boxes for these lipsticks, let me tell you, we've got 6 lipsticks. Woo! I felt like I dropped that a little hard. I didn't think I did, but I apparently did. Belle, Tiana, Jasmine. You know what? I think these released in order of their release year. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Maybe they did. Did they? I can't remember. But I mean, the packaging on this, are you kidding me? This is so gorgeous. It's called Luxe Lipstick. On the top, we get each princess's signature, and we have sparkles on the side, little signature on the bottom back. Jasmine and Ariel. And then Tiana and Belle. All right. I'm trying to decide. Like, it hurts me to think about opening these because they're so pretty. I'm not even sure who is what color. I expect Snow White is going to be a really bright red because that's kind of... Oh, look at that. Just, oh my gosh, look at that with all the signatures around it. This is so gorgeous. Just outstanding. Yep, we have a super bright red for our Snow White. I would expect no less. Let's give her a little swatch. Oh, it's really soft and creamy too. I think that's the nicest tube of lipstick I've gotten so far. I don't know if the inside color here is our hint for what the color of the tube's gonna be, but let's see if they continue to be consistently like that. Ariel in her 80s theme, and that was the whole thing, by the way. Let me show you really quick. The whole thing for that designer doll series was that they were dressed as if the girls were actresses going to their own movie premiere the year that their film came out. So Ariel is super 80s like. It's adorable. She's all super fun and funky. Looks like we've got the same tube, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. Nope, we have already debunked this theory because the inside of Ariel's is purple and she's got a pretty nude color. Actually, it's more coral, I would say, now that I've put it on my hand. Looks like the color is just called Ariel. Moving on to Belle, who was my absolute favorite princess when I was little because she was like the only one with brown hair and brown eyes, and now they give her green eyes all the time. Like, what the heck? Well, see, Belle's kind of matches. Let's see, hers is a little bit more like mauve-y. This is the softest frickin' lipstick I've ever felt. I'm shook. Ooh, I love that green in Tiana's. I love green. That's my favorite color. Okay, Tiana has a nice dark red. I'm gonna run out of hand. Oh, I love that. Jasmine. Beautiful blue in there. And her color is, oh, it's like super bright pink. Oh, look at that. That is fun. I would have thought that would be the 80s color, but I can see why they'd put Ariel with kind of a coral color, you know, ocean theme. Gotta live into your stereotypes, people. And finally, our gorgeous Cinderella in a, I think, Christian Dior inspired dress. It hurt me to miss that one, but they sold out so fast. They released them at 3 in the morning on the website and they're just poof, gone. And she's got kind of a, I don't know what to call that. It's like a muted pink. Oh, it's so creamy soft. I wonder what color I like the best. Definitely like the Snow White red. I think I like that pink from Cinderella. Let's see, I like this one here in the middle too. Who was that? Cinderella, Jasmine, Tiana. That must have been Belle. And our last bit for this giant kit of makeup. Woohoo! Alright, I know these have got to be eyeshadow related. I'm not quite sure what they all are. Gosh, just the packaging on this is so cute! We gotta get a picture of little Disney eyeshadow tower here. So this one says Super Shock Cheek, so does this one, and Super Shock Eyeshadow, so I imagine these are gonna be even brighter or creamier? I don't know. This one says Part of Your World. I'm gonna do the cheekies first. Let's see, all my hands are icked. Oh my gosh, that's like rubbing your finger across velvet. Oh my goodness, look at the pigment. Let's see how it transfers. Oh wow. Wow. Can you see that? That is like shiny. Oh, they left Moana out of the princess lineup. Oh well, maybe she'll be part of this year. I do highly suspect that they're gonna do another one this year with the new designer dolls, especially since they just did the villain's makeup. It just makes sense, but that was part of your world. And you are A Smile and a Song. Who is that? Snow White or Cinderella? Okay, this one's more of a nude color. Trying to pick clean parts. Oh my gosh, that is freaking soft. Okay, you can definitely see that, I think. That is a really goldish color, actually. It's like so pretty. A little bit more on. It doesn't seem to stack up, but it is really so shiny. I don't think you're gonna want a ton of it stacked up. This is just a little bit of shimmer glimmer. And I will do my best to test all of these Super Shock eyeshadows. Under the Sea, I knew this one had to be Ariel connected. And just to take a second here, I do believe that this is Sleeping Beauty's castle, not Cinderella's. Oh, look at that, it's like little scales. This is not as soft as the cheek stuff, but it's still pretty impressively soft. And it has an extreme amount of glittery shine in there. I hope you can see that. Like, the color doesn't come out super dark, but I don't think I would want it to with this kind of color. But I love the sheen on that. It does look like a mermaid tail or something. Crazy. Oh no, I just smeared the lipstick. Ah, I'm making it worse. Smeared the lipstick all over my table. Okay, you want to come out next, I guess. Hi-ho. Oh my gosh, that sounds like an awful name for anything in the makeup industry. Like, I know it's Snow White, and it's from the 30s, so it doesn't mean that, but it sounds like it means that. Let's get my cleanest part of my finger. This one feels like a little bit softer even. Oh, it's like putting diamonds on my flippin' skin. It's like holographic glitter in there. Oh my gosh, I don't think the camera can pick up all the little rainbowy specks in that, but oh my gosh, okay, favorite so far. Total favorite. Next we'll do Be Our Guest. So this is Belle's. I'm really hoping for a designer Rapunzel because I love Rapunzel and I would love to have a beautiful solo doll of her. All right, let's try the other side of my, oh yeah, that one's super soft. Oh man, look at the pigment on that one. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's see if it stacks. Oh, it does stack on this one really nicely, so you can get this one a good bit darker. I know it would probably help if the camera would stay in focus, but it is what it is. Yeah, so this one stacks. It can get a good bit darker. Gorgeous. Next we'll do, so this is Love, meaning it is the Cinderella color. Come on out. We've got almost like a brownish, let's see, but it looks almost like a bronze gold when I put it on my finger. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you stack? You stack really well. Blend really well too. Next is almost there. So Tiana's color, which means I think we've got Jasmine left. And Tiana's color is like a super brown. I'm just gonna use the other side of my finger. This one's a little bit rougher too, but oh my gosh, look at that pigment. All right, we're gonna put it right under the last one. Look at that pigment, and it's got some hollow glitter in it too. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm almost afraid to stack it because it's so dark. Guys, this is about to be my favorite purchase ever. Okay, wait, who are you? A Whole New World. Yep, so you are definitely Jasmine. And you've got that pretty purple. I'll just dip my thumb in. Oh yeah, I see a lot of hollow glitter in this one right off the top. That one's super soft too. Let's put it above Ariel's because I'm out of space going down. It's really light, but it's stacking pretty good. I'm probably not using the right terminology. I kind of like it really light and spread out though with all that hollow glitter. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's like my favorite thing I've ever bought. Well, I'm sold. ColourPop has probably got a new client for life. And all because they dealt with the magic of Disney. Ah, please, please just hold still. I think my table's been tilted. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I'm gonna have the room to put everything in this display. Bibbidi bobbidi boo, or if you're a really action fan from the 90s, Bibbidi bobbidi Majin Boo. No! Doesn't have to be this way. There we go, something like that. Now you can see the whole set together. This is like $130-ish before tax and shipping, but I had a 20% off code that I used and I do not regret it at all. This cost me about $100, free shipping with it. Totally obsessed, totally loving ColourPop, and yes, I bought this all myself with my own money. Actually, I did reach out and ask ColourPop if they would collab with the Fangirl on a Disney makeup project and got no response whatsoever. So that's how it is, yo. Gotta pay for my own stuff. Anyways, tinge of bitterness aside, thank you everybody for watching. You've been listening to McGann Ramble On, and we will see you next time, family members!